Hello, fifth grade students and parents of fifth grade math students. There have been some questions about how students can communicate with their teachers if they have questions on a Google Classroom assignment. So I just wanted to walk you through that a little bit to help them. First of all, I just Googled it on the internet, and you'll go into Google Classroom, sign into your Google account, click on your class, and on the streaming page, you're going to click the assignment or question, and you can view it if you want to, and then you can click add private comment or comment. So I'm just going to open the class. This is for my Block 4 class right here. This is my streaming page, the main page. The student can click right here, and you can either enter a comment and you can enter comment right here. Mrs. Morum, I would like some help on whatever the topic is going to be. You can send that to me, and then I will get back to your child. All right, thanks for listening. Bye.